All right, video 2 is a little bit of extra help for you guys. So let's go to the assignment that I gave you. So again, this video is what you should be doing today. So read that if you have any questions on how to submit it, and or read the email I sent you with everything. All right, so let's look at this. All right, so this is taking place of the Zoom session. Currently, the microphone on my computer does not work, so I'm trying to get another one from the district. So I will just be posting videos as help, and then you guys can comment on it if you still need help. So let's just start here. So you guys are doing only odd numbers. Okay, so I'll do the even ones with you as a help. So number 2, Maria walked 3 kilometers west and 4 kilometers south. Calculate how far she is from her starting point. All right, so 3 kilometers west and 4 kilometers south. So if Maria's here, she's walking 3 kilometers west. West is this way, right? This is 3 kilometers. And then she goes 4 kilometers south. Oh, south is the other way. This is north. North, south. Okay. East, west. All right, so south down here. This is 4 kilometers. Okay, we want to know how far she is from her starting point. So basically, we're making this kind of right triangle here, right? This was her starting point. And now she's here. She ended here. So we want to know how far is this length? Well, here's my right angle. Okay, remember when you have a right angle, this is the hypotenuse. This is a leg, and this is a leg. The legs can be either A or B. It doesn't matter the order, but this always has to be C. So right now, mine's kind of flipped, but I know the two next to the right angle are A and B. Okay, so I'm just going to label this as A, this as B. So my formula is this, right? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I know you guys did this in the beginning of the year, so that's why I'm starting off with this as just like a review, something hopefully accessible to most of you guys. So I have 4 squared and 3 squared. 4 squared plus 3 squared equals C squared. I don't know what C is, okay? This is what I'm solving for. So this is supposed to be C. All right, so just simplify this. Equals C squared. 25 equals C squared. That's not your answer. You just want C. So what do we do to both sides? Take the square root, right? We want to know what number squared gets me 25. Look at my slippers. All right, so C is just 5, right? The square root of 25 is just 5. So 5, what was the units? Kilometers. Okay, so this was number 2. This is just like as help. You guys are only doing, your homework is just odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's your classwork. Okay, so don't 7. I forgot 7. Okay, you don't have to do all of them. All right, so I just did number 2 to help you out. I'll do number 4. Find the perimeter of the triangle. If you want to find perimeter is you're adding up all the sides. So let's start with that one. So if we're doing, we have a triangle that looks like this. All right, we got a 40, we got 9. I don't know this one, but they're asking me to find the perimeter. This is number 4 that I'm reviewing with you, okay? So first, you clearly need this one. And whenever you have a right triangle, when you want to find the side lengths, okay, you're doing this Pythagorean theorem. Remember, these are the legs. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So A is 40 squared, B is 9 squared, and we don't know what C is, so we're going to leave it. 40 squared is 1600 plus 81 equals C squared. We get 1681 equals C squared. We take the square root. Okay, I didn't we didn't practice, you know, simplifying these big number radicals. So it's okay if you get a decimal. Okay, once you find this number, you take the square root of 1681. You're gonna put it up here, or you can just keep it as 1681. It doesn't really matter. Okay. You want perimeter, so what do you want to do? You're gonna add up all sides. You're gonna add up 40 plus 9 plus radical 1681 in your calculator to get me a right answer. Okay? So that's that work there. All right. You know, so I'll just review. For number 7, a builder needs to add diagonal braces. So here are the diagonals. And think about it, it's making, so the wall is 16 feet wide. So you have 16 as a leg, 12 as a leg. You want the length of this. You want the hypotenuse. So again, using Pythagorean's theorem, this is all you're using. And number 9 is, it's asking you to prove. So if these were the 3 legs of a triangle, will this work in Pythagorean's theorem? So they're telling you to take those 3 numbers. So we have 8, 15, and 17, and it's telling you C is the longest side. So this is C, and it doesn't matter. A or B doesn't, you know, remember, they're both legs, so it doesn't matter the order. So you want to prove if 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared. Okay, it's not always going to be in that order. 25 is the largest. Oh, they did put in that order. Okay, so yeah, you're kind of, that was easy for me, for you guys. So you're proving is 8 squared, so 64, plus 225 equal to 17 squared. Oh my God, we did this in class. What was it? 189? I don't have a calculator near me. Yeah, I was right. Okay. Yeah, 189. So you're seeing, so does this plus this equal 189? Well, right now, did I do that right? No, 289. Hello. Okay. So 225. So yeah, this does work. 289 equals 289. Yes. So this is triple. Okay. This does satisfy the equation. So this is a triangle. Like, we can make this into a legit triangle. A right triangle. So this, it works. Okay? So that's what you're doing for number 9. All right, hopefully that answered some questions. Again, you're just doing the odd ones. It's okay if you make a mistake. I'm doing this on completion. Write your name at the top of your paper and the title of it, and you'll receive full credit. Okay?